Step 4 in the SIIPA wizard is impact, or which species causes the most damage. As you ponder this step, things to consider are how much a species alters an ecosystem processes such as fire frequency, sedimentation, nutrient cycling, and so forth. So the first part is to decide how many classes we will use to rank impact. For example, we could use 4 classes and I label them as lowest, lower, medium, and highest priorities. Or we could customize it and set it at, say, 3 classes and label them as negative impact, moderate impact, and minimal impact. It's up to you which one will make it be most informative and the clearest to the stakeholders that are involved in this project. So for today, I will use 3 classes, and I will set them as negative impact and moderate impact and minimal impact. Once you have the labels, then assign a weight. So if those that have negative impact are your highest priority, you would weight those as a 1. 1 is the top of your list. Those at the bottom would be a 9. So for this case, I'm going to say those that have a minimal impact, I'm going to leave at a 9, and the ones that have a negative impact, I will leave as a 1. Once you have decided the classes and the weights, then for each species in your data set, assign a priority. So for this example, I will just go ahead and randomly assign those. So let's say that this has a moderate impact, and this has a negative impact, and this one has a minimal impact. Once you have assigned an impact ranking or priority to each of your weed species, then hit execute.